At Oliver Murphy Plumbing and Water Services, great service at an affordable price is our priority for you. A baseline of performance is taken before the service begins. We ensure the boiler is serviced thoroughly and any mechanical parts are changed if required. A test of the electrical and mechanical systems are performed. The boiler is retested to show the performance improvements. Once the service is complete, we show you the evaluation form and explain the improvements we've achieved. Give your boiler a clean bill of health today.